I can't. You can't see it.
Yeah.
No.
Dude.
Stop, you're not fun. Go. Go. Where do we go?
My nose?
Actually, I don't know if we got boogers or not, but hey, trees.
Trees. Birds in them.
I gotta pull the pants hold this.
Yeah.
It's 6:29. I'm choking on my spit. Why do they call it spit?
Why can't they call it dog?
Saliva.
Or mantle or
Saliva is
eyebrow.
hot. Saliva means hot. So our saliva's hot.
You're not even recording anything. You're recording the ground.
Oh. Our saliva's hot.
What?
Our saliva's hot.
I guess it's warm. Sometimes cold. When you go like that.
No.
Why do they call the sun the sun? Why do they call the sun the sun? They could call it like a bird or
I don't know, but it's
dot
very bright.
or forest.
Hey, look, there's a line.
Or a ding dong.
Right there. Look, there's a line. Right there.
I can't see anything. I don't see it.
Right there?
I can't see it.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Here.
Actually, I can't see it.
Well, you done ruined it.
Oh my God!
There it is.
There's a gnat.
A gnat! Mine!
Oh, I want to live in that house. It's pretty.
This house is ugly.
Pretty lady.
Look, it's all white.
So? Fucking gnat.
It's been 2 minutes and 22 seconds.
Good.
That backyard is so ugly. Yeah, that's a pretty good camera.
You like my face? You like it?
Yeah.
Sexy.
My camera just made out with me.
Just kidding. That one make out too. Ooh, that's gross.
Now I want to prank call someone.
Oh my God, can I do it?
Hold on.
No, you do it. Just like, or ask for someone's name and if like they don't answer, or if they answer, then like tell them not that person. Like, give them a hard time. Block their number though.
Hold on.
Block your number though.
Who do I hate? Oh yeah.
Oh, there's a car coming. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Oh God, he looked like a dinosaur.
He just waved.
He looked like a dinosaur.
Who should I call?
Is that the guy
Huh?
at the park one time with his children and looked like a dinosaur?
Oh.
So ugly. Except dinosaurs are cute, but he
Who should I
wasn't.
call? No.
Don't say it out loud, because if we're gonna put this on YouTube,
Oh yeah.
the people are gonna know, and then they're gonna call it, and they're like, who'd you get to? I don't know.
Star 67.
Yeah. Don't say it out loud. I'd say call Cody, but
This is some weird number that I don't know.
okay.
They're not gonna answer. Shucks.
Shucks. Pickles.
Shucks.
Wait. Pickles.
Trash can.
Put on my voicemail system. 940 something. I get those things all the time. Cause no one ever answers my calls. Oh, I totally got that mailbox. Look at that sexy mailbox.
510.
So sexy. Who you gonna call now?
I don't know. I was planning on calling Pin, but I decided not to.
Oh, don't call him. Ew.
722.
722. I'm very bad camera holder because it just keeps wiggling.
I think I'm
That's the point. Don't get so close. Your face is all up in the
It's not
camera.
ringing. Let's try a different one.
Look at that. Oscar parking only. Who's Oscar?
Oscar.
Is your name Oscar?
I want to name my child Oscar.
Me too.
Oscar.
Look at that
Oscar.
sexy biker. You can't see him though because it's too dark. Ooh, there's a piece of gum. Ooh. No, black. This thing is 5 minutes and 48 seconds.
Okay,
And it feels sexy.
Hello?
Yep.
Who's this?
Alberto? Yep.
Oh.
Where you live?
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, where you live?
Where I live? Where you live?
I'm Alberto, garden service.
Vizzle? Oh. That's cool. I miss you.
You need me?
I miss you.
You need me?
Yes, I miss you.
What do you want?
I want you.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright.
Where are you at?
Alright, here.
I don't see you.
Who's this?
Who's this? This is your girlfriend.
My old friend.
Yeah, your girlfriend.
Oh, my girlfriend.
Yeah.
Which girlfriend?
Which girlfriend? You're cheating on me?
Huh?
You're cheating on me?
Every day.
Why are you cheating on me?
I like it.
You sound like Jose.
Excuse me?
You sound like Jose. Jalapeno guy. And Alpadenka.
What is that noise? Yeah, the noise. It's like a...
What's your name?
My name is Nicole.
Is it what?
Nicole. And Chelsea.
What?
You gotta get my name right. This is your girlfriend.
My girlfriend?
Yeah.
What you doing?
What are you talking about? What am I doing?
Yeah.
I'm missing you. Where are you?
You're dumb.
How do you not know who you are? I don't know. How do you not know who I am? This is your girlfriend.
Her best friend.
Really? I don't know. I have a lot of girlfriends.
Yeah, you do. You met me.
I'm the sexy one.
I'm the sexy one, remember? I'm the sexy one, remember?